It's me, Roger. I'm back again to make a little video where I reveal all my little secrets. Do you have clean hands? You're subscribed, so let's not waste any more time. Hello, dear friends. Winter approaching, and often in winter we have a little bit of everything, a little sore throat. So I remember my mom making us a preparation. So it's a grandma's recipe. How to make a syrup for sore throats, a natural syrup, not a pharmaceutical one. It's very, very simple and very effective. Those who are my age and know this will tell you there's nothing better. So I'm just going to show you how to make this syrup. To make this syrup, I'll need turnip like this. And what we say, and what we say. And rock sugar, rock candy. I could show you how to make it, but it takes so little in there, you'd better buy it. Finally, if anyone wants me to show how it's done, I'd be happy to make a video. Leave me a note in the descriptions below, in the comments, if you want me to show you how to make rock sugar. But for now, let's go with this recipe. To start, I take my rave and just cut it. The top there, like this. And I cut a little bit off the base so it sits flat. I do this with both. Next, we need to hollow out the turnip. For that, I have a little tool like this. Otherwise, you can do it directly. With a knife, with a spoon. That's fine too, right? So I'm hollowing out. I'm just hollowing out my turnip, you know, to make a little bowl. And there you go, I have my hole in my turnip, of course, underneath. There's no hole, and we don't throw that away. We can make a nice soup with it, for example. Now I have my 2 turnips that I have emptied. I have greased the bottom a little bit from my mold there to make sure it doesn't stick. Next, I'm going to put some rock sugar inside. Like this. No more than that during the day in this house, a lot. But how do I get back what I put aside? And now I'm going to put this in an oven at about 170 to 180 degrees. I think about half an hour until the sugar has completely melted. We'll see each other later. The first one and the second one. Now I'm going to let this cool down a bit and collect the syrup afterwards. Now that it's cold, I take my 2 small turnips and I collect the syrup the second hour. And then I'll put that in a small bottle or a small container. And when you have a little bit of everything, you take a teaspoon of this syrup and let it gently dissolve in your mouth. And you'll see, it's really natural. And honestly, it doesn't taste bad either. Just do it. It's not complicated, and it's worth it to make something natural. Here it is. Just do it. It's not complicated, and honestly, it tastes really good too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how to make the ideas. Go ahead. It's not difficult. And I'll see you soon for the next video. Goodbye. Don't forget to give a little thumbs up. Subscribe. Share my videos, and thank you for leaving a comment. To leave a comment